Top reasons people are joining the Home Business Academy in 2026 to build online income fast. If you've been searching for a way to build income online, but every opportunity seems complicated, expensive, or just plain confusing, then today's video may open your eyes. Because in this video, we're going to talk about why thousands of people are joining the Home Business Academy and why it's becoming one of the most talked about platforms in the affiliate marketing space. Now let me be clear, this isn't about hype. It's about tools, training, and a system that everyday people can actually use. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why people are choosing this platform, what makes it different from other programs, and whether it could work for you. So let's get started. The online income revolution. Over the last few years, something major has happened. More people than ever are realizing they don't want to rely on just one income source. Jobs are less stable, costs are rising, and people want more freedom. That's why affiliate marketing has exploded. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products online. You don't create the product. You don't handle customer service. You simply connect people with solutions. But here's the problem. Many affiliate programs pay low commissions, offer poor training, or change the compensation plan. That's where the Home Business Academy enters the picture. Reason number one, 80% commissions. One of the biggest reasons people join is the 80% commission structure. Most affiliate programs pay 10, 20%, sometimes 30%. But imagine keeping 80% of each sale. That means when you promote products inside the system, the majority of the revenue goes to you. For many affiliates, that's a game changer because it means fewer sales are required to create meaningful income. Reason number two, beginner-friendly training. Another major reason people join is the step-by-step training. Many people trying to make money online struggle because they don't know how to generate traffic, how to build funnels, how to follow up with leads. The training inside the platform breaks these concepts down in simple steps. Instead of guessing, members can follow a proven process. This dramatically shortens the learning curve. Reason number three, powerful business tools. Tools are another huge factor. To run an online business, you typically need a funnel builder, email automation, landing pages, lead capture systems. Buying these separately can cost hundreds per month. The Home Business Academy provides tools designed specifically for the online marketers. This allows beginners to launch much faster. Reason number four, recurring income potential. One of the most powerful concepts in online business is recurring income. Instead of earning once, you can earn month after month from the same customer. Many members love this feature because it creates long-term income stability. Over time, recurring commissions can compound, meaning your income grows as your customer base grows. Reason number five, community support. Building an online business alone can feel overwhelming. That's why community is so powerful. Inside the Home Business Academy, members can interact with others who are working toward the same goal. They share strategies, results, and motivation. This type of environment can dramatically increase success rates. Reason number six, stability. One thing many online entrepreneurs hate is when companies change the rules. It happens often, but the Home Business Academy has maintained a consistent compensation structure for years. For affiliates, stability builds confidence because they know the system they are building today will still exist tomorrow. Who is this for? Let's talk about who this opportunity is best suited for. This could be a good fit for you if you are someone looking to start an online business, someone wanting a side income, someone interested in affiliate marketing, or someone tired of complicated systems. However, it still requires effort. No opportunity replaces work and consistency. How people are using it. People are using the platform in several ways. Some build YouTube channels. Some focus on email marketing. Others build funnels and paid traffic campaigns. The key is consistency. Even small daily actions can create momentum over time. My final thoughts. At the end of the day, the reason people are joining the Home Business Academy comes down to a few key factors. High commissions, beginner training, powerful tools, recurring income, and a strong community. For many people, those ingredients make building an online business far more achievable. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Because on this channel, we talk about building income freedom in online businesses. Thanks for watching.